Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss the mystery of a hidden planet in our solar system. We are all happy in our usual knowledge that we have 8 planets in our solar system. Pluto has already been declared a dwarf planet. For more than 100 years, scientists have been so occupied in developing advanced telescopes and looking beyond the confines of the solar system that we lay people have perhaps forgotten that our very own solar system still had many secrets waiting to be discovered. We might not fully have figured out our own neighborhood yet. The solar system is more complex than the idea that there is a sun in the middle, and planets are nicely revolving around it. There is much more than this in there. There are asteroids, space rocks, dust specks, and more. And we can't possibly claim that we have figured things out 100%. Scientists have long been intrigued by the idea that there is another planet beyond Pluto that is part of our solar system and revolves around the sun just like other planets. But there hasn't been any confirmed evidence of this, nor this Planet 9, as it has been called, has been observed through any of our telescopes. Media reports say that scientists have already observed that the space objects beyond Pluto have an elliptical orbit around the Sun, and that the plane of their revolution around the Sun is in an incline with planes of revolution of other planets. Scientists think that this is happening because a mysterious planet is affecting these space objects due to its gravity. It is estimated that Planet 9 is 20 times as far from the Sun as Neptune is. When we consider that Neptune is 4.47 billion kilometers away from the Sun, 20 times this distance surely becomes a huge figure. When space telescopes try to find a planet, we often rely on detection of light reflected from the surface of these planets. Another method is to detect a dip in light of a star when a planet revolving around it comes between us and the star. Due to the very large distance of Planet 9 from the Sun, scientists think that detecting reflected sunlight from the planet would be very difficult. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.